guys, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my recent uploads. Hi guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that don't know, that might be new to my channel, I am a teacher in the daytime and I work at Target at night. So I just wanted to quickly come on and show you my nighttime routine. Don't get afraid. I know there's a lot of products here, but it does go really quickly. And this is what I found to really help my skin stay youthful and moisturized and acne free. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. So first up is going to be our deep cleansing oil, and I just take one pump of that. Alright, so because I'm wearing waterproof mascara, I really try to work the oil into the mascara so that I can remove it all, okay? So right now I'm going to go ahead and wash my face and come right back. Okay, so up next I'm going to use the BIODERMA, and this is basically micellar water, and this really helps to get any residual makeup that you have on left. So I like to start on my eyes first. Alright, up next I have the exfoliating cleanser. So you don't need much of this. You can use a dime size amount. So I needed to add some water to my hand so I can get it nice and soapy. So now I'm going to wash it off. I just wanted to mention that I am going to put some of the products around my eyes and my eyelashes. I'll probably spend about 5 or 10 seconds doing that so that it doesn't dry my under eyes out too much. And I'll be right back. So up next we have the Complexion Renewal Pads. So up next I have the Exfoliation Accelerator. So I'm going to let this product sit on my skin for about 2 to 3 minutes before I add the next product on top of that. As that's sitting on my skin, I'm going to use the Creamy Eye Treatment by KIEHL'S. And I like to just use a Q-tip for that, so that I don't contaminate the product. So you want to take a pea-sized amount, rub your hands together, and just put it around your eye area. So up next I have the Bright Alive Serum. I'll just take one pump of that. So I like to let this product sit on my skin for about 5 minutes before I add my final product. So the final product that I'm going to use is going to be my moisturizer, and this is the Hydrating Cream. Alright guys, and that is it. So this is how I keep my skin well moisturized and acne free. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye. Mwah.